In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link a button to a page in WordPress. So first, I'm going to go to the page that I want to link. So hover over pages and all pages. I have already created a support page right here, as you can see. So basically, if you haven't, you just create a page right here. And if you already have a page, we click on view. And as you can see, it is a page. Just give it some time to load. As you can see, it is a page with simply a phone number right here. So I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to head back to my dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Now, how do we create a button and how do we link it? So from posts, we want to go to all posts right here. And then if you don't already have one, you can create one, but I have this generic one. So we simply are going to click on edit right here. And as you can see, we have a plus icon right here. So click on the plus icon to create a block and then search for button. As you can see right here, we have the buttons option, select it. And here is where we can play around with it. You can change the color of the button. If we go over here to the gradient and if we click on background, you can select the color of the button. So let's just make it green. And how do we add the link itself? Well, basically we click on this button right here, link, and then we paste the link that we have. So this is our support link. And we can even toggle this on if we want to open the link in a new tab. So that is it. We submit this link right here, and then after that, after you have linked it, we press on update, and it is as simple as that. That's how you link a button to a page in WordPress. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.